Hi, my name is Angie Christie, and I am fortunate to be the CEO of Sunshine Services. I've spent my entire adult life working with people with all types of disabilities, including autism. And my life dream has always been to become a social worker. And this is why I received my degree in social services from Kent State University. After graduating, I felt compelled to leave a bigger impact in the field of developmental disabilities. Not only by providing exceptional care in the home, but also by helping people build job skills and obtain community employment. Sunshine Services was founded on the belief that team-centered planning with a family atmosphere creates a structured environment that always has our clients' best interest in mind. Here at Sunshine Services, we're often asked what makes us different than the other providers. And our answer is simple. Not only do we provide outstanding home health care, but we also have a wide variety of day work programs. Our staff are continually trained beyond state requirements, and we utilize advanced management technology. Our Sunshine Transportation Division is top-notch, with always having safety in mind. But what makes Sunshine stand out from the rest? It's our ability to ensure our clients are happy with life. I'm proud to say that our entire management team and staff truly care. Our team caters to the individual's needs, personalities, goals, and entertainment desires. We don't focus on what we feel is best for them. We focus on what makes them happy, utilizing a team commitment. Needless to say, all of our clients know that there's always a fun trip or adventure around the corner to look forward to. And it's these things that are rarely found in a company such as ours. So I strongly urge anyone who is seeking services for their loved one to call us. Come visit us and spend some time learning about what Sunshine Services is really about. And once you do, I'm positive you will quickly discover why Sunshine Services has quickly become a premier developmental disability provider.